Welcome to Mr. Brain channel. In this channel, we are going to upload the videos like aptitude videos and then software design videos. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get notification when I upload the video. So let's go. In this video, we are going to see that numbers. Numbers is the first and important topics in aptitude. So we are following the R.S.AGGARWAL book so that it is very easy to understand for you, because everybody who are learning aptitude, they are follow the R.S.AGGARWAL. So let's go into the video. First, what is number? What is number? Number is nothing but any number 0 to infinite is numbers. I'm right. So we have 10 digits, namely 0 to 10, and then group of digit is called numeral. And then what is face value? In the number is, we have two important things: face value and place value. Face value is, let's see what is face value. The face value of a digit in a numeral is its own value. That is, for example, 6578. For example, what is the face value of 8 is 8. The own value is the value. For face value of 7 is 7. Face value of 5 is 5. And then finally face value of 6 is 6. Next, what is a place value? So in olden days and never childhood, we have learned that place value. But in this, so in day by day, we maybe get forgot. So what is place value means? The value of where a digit is in number. For example, 6573. In olden days, or in normally, if I have thousands numbers or 10,000 numbers, we have go in last order, backward order. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So that is the places of the value. So place value of 3 is 3 into 1. 1 is ones because it is in unit digit. So 3. Place value of 7 is 7. It is in second order. So ones tens into 10, 70. Place value of 5 is 5. Ones tens 100. 5 into 100, 100. And then place value of 6 is 6 into 1000, 6000. So this is a place value. Place value and face value are the basics. These are the questions will not ask in the aptitude, but we need to know what is that face value and place value. That is the basics of the number. Next, various types of number. We have seen from our childhood there are various types of numbers, like natural numbers, whole numbers, composite number, co-prime numbers. So we are going to overview that numbers so that we can easily understand the upcoming videos. Natural numbers. What is a natural numbers? Everything is a natural number except 0. I am right. 1 to infinite numbers are all natural number except 0. What is a whole number? Whole number is 0, that includes 0. That is a whole number. 0 to infinite, that is a whole number. Integer. What is integer? Minus to plus. What I mean is negative integer to positive integer. Any integer that includes 0 also, that is a integer. All positive and negative numbers. Even numbers. What is even numbers? That's we are all know that even number is divided by 2. When any number is divided by 2, that is a even number, right? Yeah, a counting number divisible by 2 are even numbers. Then odd numbers. What is an odd number? A counting number divisible, not divisible. No, not divisible by 2 are odd numbers. When a number is not divisible by 2, that is a odd number. Next, what is a prime number? Everybody knows prime number. For example, 7 is a prime number. Why? Because it is only divisible by 7 and 1. So that is a prime number. Let's see the definition. A counting number is called a prime number if it has exactly two factors, namely itself and 1. What I say is, for example, 2, 3, 5, 7 are the, for factor of 5 is 5, 1. Next, composite number. What is composite number? We have studied in childhood, but the composite numbers and co-prime numbers are very difficult to understand. Yeah, composite number. The mostly we have forgotten is composite number because we does not use in anywhere. We have used prime number, even numbers, odd numbers. These are the numbers, but we do not use the composite number in any of the higher educations. So we got easily forgotten. So let's recall it. The natural numbers which are not prime are called composite numbers. For example, 1, 4, 6, 8 are all the composite numbers. The meaning is prime numbers. Co-prime number is nothing but, let's see the definitions. Two natural numbers a and b are said to be co-prime number if their HCF is 1, higher common factor, right? For example, 4, 5 and 8, 11. What I mean is, um, if the factors of 4 is 2, 2, 1, and then factor of 5 is 5, 1, the common factor is 1. So whenever the common factor is 1, that is a co-prime number, right? Let's take the 11. 11 also, for example, 8. 8 is divisible by 4 and then 2 and then 1. So 4, 2, 1. For 11, 11, 1. So what is the common one is 1. So when the HCF is 1, that number are co-prime number. Next, yeah, common factor is 1. Test of divisibility. So we are going into the aptitude. What is the previous or basics of the numbers. In this, after we are going into the actual aptitude. So these in now onwards the questions will be asked in the aptitude. So please listen carefully, don't skip. Divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its unit digit is 0. For example, if a long number is given, for example 5, 4, 3, 2, 6. So this big number we cannot going to divide it by 2 and then find the answers. We have less number of time to solve the aptitude. So we have to find the shortcut. So that we have the another way. If the unit digit of the long number or any number is a even number or is a even number, means that is divided by 2. For example, if unit digit is a even number, it is divisible by 2, obviously. For example, 2, 4, 3, 5. The unit digit is 5, so it is not divisible by 2. That is obvious. For example, 4, 5, 6, 8. The unit digit is 8. It is a prime number divisible by 2. So in this an aptitude exam, there is a we need to take 30 seconds for each questions or 50 seconds for each questions. So we don't have that much of time to solve it. So we need to find the shortcuts. In maths, everything is a shortcut. We have shortcut, so we need to find the shortcut. Okay, right. Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3, right? A number is divisible by 3 only when the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. For example, 3, 8, 7, 4, 6. 3 plus 8 plus 7 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 28. 28 is divisible by 3? No, definitely not. 28 is not divisible by 3. Next, 4, 6, 6, 9, 2. 4 plus 6 plus 6 plus 9 plus 2 is equal to 27. Yeah, definitely 27 is divisible by 2. Sorry, 27 is divisible by 3, right? Next, divisibility by 9. This here is very difficult. So divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 only when the sum of its digit is divisible by 9. The same procedure as that previous one. The same procedure as divisible by 3. But here, for example, if the number is 110, right? 110 means 1 plus 1 plus 0. Answer is 2. So 2 is divisible by 9? No, it does not divisible by 9. That is the example. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 14. 14 is divisible by 9? 14 is divisibility by 9? No, 14 is not divisible by 9. 2, 4, 6, 5, 9, 1. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 1, 27. 27 is divisible by 9. So here we need to know that when the number, for example, 1 plus 1 plus 1, total number is 3. 3 is not divisible by 9. Exactly. But in divisibility by 3, 3 is divisible by 3. So we need to know this is divisibility by 4. So number is divisible by 4 when the last 2 digit is divisible by 4. Let's see the example. For example, let's take the previous one. For example, means 2 3 4 5. 45 is divisible by 4? No, exactly not. So next, 6 5 6 4 3 7 6. 76 is divisible by 4, obviously. Next, 4 9 6 1 3 8 is not divisible by 4, since 38 is not divisible by 4. So for the previous number, for 4, to check the divisibility of 4, we need to take the last digit. Okay. Next, divisibility by 8. So a number is divisibility by 8 if the number of the last 3 digit is divisible by 8. For example, 164555352. So the previous one is the same. What we have seen in last what we have seen in the last, that is the same. For example, what we have seen in last is divisibility by 4 is take the last 2 digit. So divisibility 8 is take the last 3 digit. That's the difference. So 352, for the 3 numbers we are going to take the division and then find it easily. So that is not a big issue. 2 5 6 4 484 484 is not divisible by 484 is not divisible by 8, right? Next, divisibility by 10. So a number is divisibility by 10 when its unit digit is 0. This under this divisibility by 10 we all know, because when the unit digit is 0, it obviously divisible by 10. Okay, that is and all not a big issue. 7520650 is divisible by 10, obviously. And then 25206052 is not divisible by 10 because the unit digit is 2. Next, divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 when its unit digit is 5 or 0, right? When the unit digit is 5, it is compulsory, or it is definitely divisible by 5. 754545 is divisible by 5. Next, 852050 is divisible by 5, obviously. Next, yeah, here is the we are going to little bit complicated. Divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of its digit at odd places and sum of its digit at even places is either 0 or a number divisible by 11. Okay, the definitions you cannot understand properly. Let's see the example so that you can understand easily. So here is 294354517, sum of its odd places minus sum of its even places. In this, this is a formula. In this we need to be careful, because we should not start at the starting, we should start at the backward. One what I mean is 7 is in 1th place, so 7 4 plus 3 plus 9 minus even places 1 5 4 2, right? Let's see the 11 is divisible by 11. That is simple one. And then this also 5 7 4 6 3 8 2 2. So 2 8 6 7 are the odd places minus even places. So the answer is 9, which is not divisible by 11, right? We are in the end of the video, so let's see some unknown facts about pizza. So we are all know about pizza, so we are eating regularly and we have good food. So let's see some interesting facts about that. So pizza, we all know about the volume of the cylinder formula. So volume of the cylinder formula is V equal to pi r square h. So let's see, pi equal to pi. Let's consider a pizza as a cylinder, right? Next, r radius of the pizza. Radius of the pizza r square. So r square is z. Next, h, thickness of the pizza. So normally in volume of cylinder, height of the cylinder. So here it's a pizza. So it is maybe not is in height. That is not mentioned as height. So I am assuming that h is equal to thickness of the pizza a. So volume is equal to pizza. This maybe somebody knows about this fact. So this is the reasons kept the name as pizza. This is the reason. So thank you for listening. So please subscribe to our channel.